Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very traditional look perfect for the upcoming festival of Nag Panchami, or as a matter of fact any festive event that calls for dressing up. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. To prep my face, I'm first applying this hydrating primer from Makeup Forever on my dry patches, and then I'm topping it with my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9, and I'm blending this with my damp beauty blender. You can always use a brush if you like more coverage. I prefer a beauty blender as I like that sheer finish on my skin. Now that we have a flat clean canvas, we can work on giving it some dimension. So to brighten my high points, I'm using the PAC Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude and Beach Sand under my eyes, my forehead, chin and nosy. If you guys follow me, you know I avoid concealers in these areas as they are my problematic areas and not many concealers suit me, but this one is really lightweight and doesn't dry out my excessively dry skin. So if you're someone who has a sensitive skin and a dry skin, I highly recommend you to check out this concealer. And to clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To cream contour and give my face some dimension and structure, I'm using the Wet n Wild Duo Stick in the shade Medium on the circumference of my face, in the hollows of my cheekbones, and to chisel my jawline and nose. Again, I'm going to blend it out with my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. Now to bring back some warmth to my face, I'm using a bronzer, and this one's Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. For blush, I'm using this rosy pink shade Pink Satin from Ofra Cosmetics Signature Blush Palette, and I'm blending this first with my angled brush and then with my round fluffy brush. To highlight, I'm using the shade Moonstone from ABH Cosmetics Glow Kit palette on the highest points of my face. For my brows, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I'll first use the spoolie to brush my hair downwards so I can clearly see on top, and I'll fill it in. And then I'll brush my hair upwards and I'll fill in the lower part of my brows. And then at the end, I'll use the spoolie one more time to spread the color across evenly so it looks more natural. To clean up underneath my brows, I'll be using the PAC Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. And to set my concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. So I'm starting with first lining my upper lash line with the Magnetic Eye Kajal by Faces Canada, and I'm smudging it out with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. If you watch closely, I'm keeping the kajal very close to my lash line as I want to give it a smoky liner effect, and if I take it too up on my eyelid, it will start looking like a smoky eye. Next, I'm warming up my crease area with this brownish eyeshadow from Smoky Obsession palette by Huda Beauty with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. Next, I'm saturating my lid with this brown eyeshadow Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm using my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics to do so. I'm taking the same brown eyeshadow Cypress Umber on my PAC brush in the style 126 to deposit it in my crease line, and I'm further blending it out with my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm dipping into this silver shimmery shade Vermeer from my Modern Renaissance palette by APH Cosmetics with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. Now I'm lining my lower waterline area with this magnetic eye kajal by Faces Canada, and I'm smudging it out with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. I'm further smoking out my lower lash line with the Cypress Umber from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my pack brush in the style 126. For lipstick, I'm first applying this nude peach shade Tease by Faces Canada, and then I'm topping it up with In Vogue again by Faces Canada. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm applying some Pack Prep and Prime spray. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'll be coating my lashes with some mascara, and this one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'm applying the MAC lashes in the style 07. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with this black and white sari, some oxidized jewelry. I love how elegant and traditional it looks, perfect for the upcoming festival of Nag Panchami. But of course, this look is so versatile that you can carry it to any festive event with any ensemble of your liking. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos several times a week. I've left all the product information in the description box along with my socials. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you with a brand new one. Bye guys.